Ever wonder why some people gain muscle faster than others, even when they train the same way? In 2025, science is revealing something incredible. Your genes may hold the secret to how your body builds muscle. But here's the best part. Understanding your genetics doesn't mean you're limited by them. It means you can train smarter than ever before. So today, we're diving deep into the science of muscle genetics, how your DNA affects your gains, and how new 2025 research is helping us hack muscle growth like never before. The science of genetic muscle potential. Let's start with the basics. Every person's body responds differently to training, and that difference, it often starts with your genes. Your DNA contains over 20,000 genes, and at least hundreds of them are involved in how your muscles grow, recover, and adapt. For example, there's a gene called ACTN3, sometimes nicknamed the sprinter gene. If you have the RR version, your body produces more fast-twitch muscle fibers, the kind that generate explosive power. Think sprinters, powerlifters, or CrossFit athletes. But if you have the XX version, you might have more slow-twitch fibers, great for endurance, like marathon running or cycling. Neither is better or worse. It's just your body's unique blueprint. And in 2025, thanks to affordable DNA testing and advanced AI analysis, we can actually read that blueprint in detail and use it to personalize your workouts like never before. Genetic testing meets the gym. Here's what's happening in 2025. Fitness tech companies are merging genetic science with training programs. Imagine this. You take a simple cheek swab test, send it to a lab, and get a complete genetic profile showing your muscle potential, recovery speed, and even how your body processes protein and carbs. Then, your workout app builds a personalized training plan just for you, suggesting the best exercises for your muscle fiber type, optimizing your rest periods, and even adjusting your diet to match your metabolism. It's like having a fitness coach built from your DNA. And the results? Early studies show that genetically optimized training programs can improve muscle gains by up to 20 to 30% compared to generic ones. That's huge. Key genes that affect muscle growth. Let's talk about some of the most important genes scientists are watching right now. Actin-3, the one we mentioned earlier, controls fast-twitch muscle performance. ACE gene, linked to endurance. Some versions make your muscles more efficient at using oxygen. GF1 regulates growth hormone activity, which helps your muscles recover and grow faster. MSTN, short for myostatin. This one's fascinating. It actually limits muscle growth. People with naturally lower myostatin levels can build muscle much more easily. And here's where the science gets wild. In 2025, researchers are studying ways to safely suppress myostatin in adults using nutrition, peptides, and even gene editing tools like CRISPR. It's not mainstream yet, but imagine the future. Targeted gene therapy that boosts your natural muscle potential safely. How epigenetics changes the game. But here's the twist. Your genes aren't your destiny. Just because you were born with certain traits doesn't mean you're stuck with them. This is where epigenetics comes in, the science of how your lifestyle choices turn genes on or off. When you lift weights, eat protein, and sleep well, you're literally switching on your muscle-building genes. Skip training, stay up late, eat junk food, you turn those same genes off. Your daily habits are constantly reshaping how your DNA expresses itself. In other words, your genes set the stage, but you write the script. AI, wearables, and the future of muscle growth. Now, Let's look at how technology is revolutionizing muscle growth in 2025. AI-powered wearables can now track muscle activation, recovery, and even micro-tears in real time. These smart devices combine your genetic data with live feedback from your workouts, telling you exactly when to push harder or when to rest. Imagine your smartwatch saying, "Hey, your recovery gene activity is still low today. Take an extra rest day. Your protein synthesis markers are up. Perfect time for a heavy lift session." This level of precision training used to be science fiction. Now it's reality. And soon, this tech will be accessible to everyone, not just elite athletes. Nutrition meets genetics. Your diet is just as genetically influenced as your workout. Some people metabolize carbs faster. Others respond better to high-fat or high-protein diets. In 2025, gene-based nutrition plans, called nutrigenomics, are helping athletes fine-tune their macros for optimal muscle growth. If your FTO gene makes you prone to storing more fat, your AI coach might recommend timing your carbs post-workout. If your NTHFR gene affects recovery, you might need more B vitamins or folate to reduce inflammation. It's no longer about following the latest diet trend. It's about discovering what your body truly needs to perform its best. So what does all this mean for you? Your DNA might influence how easily you build muscle, but it doesn't define your limits. With the tools we have in 2025, genetic insights, AI coaches, smart wearables, and personalized nutrition, you have more power than ever to unlock your potential. Remember, your genes may load the gun, but your lifestyle pulls the trigger. Train hard, eat smart, sleep deep, and your body will respond in ways that even your DNA didn't expect. This is the future of fitness, where science meets strength, and your genetics become your greatest advantage.